Hey guys, we're just on live right now. We're doing brow lamination and we're also doing a little bit of training video. So you'll see me step in here. And she has wonderful brows for this.
Yeah.
You don't have to have a lot of brow, but you also, want to have as much brow and length as possible to be able to do this. If you have any questions on what we're doing brow lamination. Ready? And we're also doing a little bit of training videos. Right now she's nicely combing them up to see, in what direction she'd like to apply the glue. And the glue is non-invasive. It's non-invasive on the skin and it's very gentle. It's also water soluble, so it dissolves right when you put water on it.